The Smart Textile Microfactory shows for the first time that we can produce smart textile in an industrial way. The main problem with smart textiles is that you don't have the proper production technology available in the market, and that leads to the fact that there won't be smart textile products in the market. So we have to change that. We have to make this smart textile production technology available, and then we will see those products in the market. The big chance for smart textiles and these production technologies is that there will be a lot of potential applications in the market, like medical applications or automotive applications, and that will change the way how we will use and treat textiles in our natural environment.
If you look at the sustainability dimensions of digital textile microfactories, then you can see that it has advantages, because by producing only the things that you know that some consumer wants to buy, of course you save lots of waste and lots of energy and resources. You print only the parts that you need for the specific products, for instance, and you can send all over the world your digital prototypes and your digital twins, and they get produced only when they are in the right place. We have this 3D knitting microfactory where we have developed an algorithm that puts the individual shape directly into the knitting machine. This is completely new to the world. So this is the fair where everyone goes in order to get these new inspirations for their future businesses.